She means a lot. She's my all.
My mom is very important to me, man. She's the world, you know, my backbone.
She's my love, my peace.
Oh, lot of my partner in crime. My mother is my rock and she's my strength. My mom means everything to me. She is so passionate about what she does.
She means a lot to me. Everybody knows I'm a mama's boy.
She's like the feathers to my pillow.
Through everything that she's been through, she stayed strong, and that really means a lot to me. My mom said, conseiller, Zambi.
A lot. So.
She means everything to me. She's so special. My mother is my best friend.
She means everything to me. She's very special to me.
Oh, my mom. C'est réellement parti dans la vie.
She means so much. She does, she works so much to provide food on the table. She means so much to me. She means everything to me. She's very special to me.
She means a lot. She means a lot.
Mana mana. Mana mana. Mana mana.
Snores while she's sleeping. She goes, she goes in my room. I don't like that.
She be nagging a lot.
Her laugh, her cackling, and her mouth be all open. She goes, ah!
Her sneeze.
Compare me to other people.
Wake me up in the morning. She be talking about me when I'm in the room like I'm not there.
Calls me the wrong name. She go through the whole house and say the wrong name.
When she's really excited, she walks as if she is a jeune fille. She goes in my room, go through my stuff. She cleans it, but takes stuff out. She has a really ugly laugh.
The constant caring, go clean. Clean.
When she's on the phone, she's very, very loud and it's so annoying.
She talks about me when I'm in the room, and she has this loud laugh.
Well, I think she set some very good examples.
Her perseverance, her drive, despite of the hard times in her life, she keeps going and she shows that.
She shows me not to follow others, but to follow Christ.
Her perseverance and her character is really a model-like attribute.
She don't have to tell people that she's a Christian for people to know that she's a Christian. She shows it everywhere she goes. She even take a Bible to my school meeting.
Well, I love my mom a lot because, me and my diabetes, she always prays for me. She always tells me to stay strong, to keep going. I really love her for that.
She makes me go to church and learn about God, and eventually that's gonna pay off.
Maman ba m'a bien exemple, de montrer que pour moi gagner un peu de foi dans mon Dieu et que j'en pour moi habiller dans la société pour me capable montrer au monde que moi c'est servant de mon Dieu.
She always tells me to pray and she always tells me to read my Bible and she always encourages me to go on. Well, my mom has this strength about her that I really love and I try to replicate it in my life.
To be strong, because she is a strong woman.
She brings me to church every Sunday. She encourages me to read the Bible. Well, she always goes to church every time she can, and then if I have a question about religion, she always answers it.
That's a lie. She always takes me to the room to go pray, or she wakes me up and says, "Fine, listen. It's time to go pray." I'm like, all right, okay.
A whole lot. I mean, I can't remember none of them, but a whole lot.
Maman m'apprend moi depuis petit pour moi connaître qui gens pour moi approcher des bon Dieu pour qui gens me servir bon Dieu. Elle apprend moi tout pour me capable un monde qui va faire ça qui mauvais parce que bon Dieu toujours va garder.
Que moi aime avec tout cœur.
I love you, mommy chérie. I love you, mother. I love you, mom.
I love you, mom.
And I love you, mommy. I love you, mother.
Oh, maman moi aime en pile.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom. I love you.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom. I love you, mother.
I love you. I love you, Mom. I love you. This is for the mothers of Tailfield Church. Nous aimons. We love you.
J'élèverai ma voix en louange. Seigneur, je t'adore pour tout ce que tu es.
That was wonderful.
Bravo!
I loved that.
Oh, it was great.
Well, it was pretty good.
Well, it wasn't bad.
Well, there were parts of it that weren't very good, though.
It could have been a lot better.
I didn't really like it.
It was pretty terrible.
It was bad.
It was awful.
It was terrible.
Get him away!
Hey, boo!
Boo!